I just noticed this. Oh, they're not even there. There was like a swarm of hummingbirds. I can see 3 right now. The hummingbirds are like just, I don't know if you can see them. I'm going to go over here. Just put my hand. Maybe they won't notice my hand. Look at them all. Amazing. Two at a time. Green and blue. The hummingbirds are so active right now that when I'm working, it's like I can know why they call them hummingbirds. They're just so loud. Anyway, they're cute as little buttons, and they're not the least bit timid. You know, I just had to move this second feeder out here today because it was in the way of the neighbors installing a propane tank. It was hanging in the tree where they were working. Anyway, the second feeder seems to have attracted more hummingbirds, even though they can't eat from it. Anyway, signing off.